ultimate DIYers. This is what happens when you're married to the ultimate DIYer. Honey, let's go out and have a day for ourselves.
Sure.
We'll hang out, no kids. Let's go have a good time. Cool.
You got a hamburger.
Yeah, really? Hold on. See how this works. So I'm thinking, oh cool, we're gonna have a date, right? Wrong. When you're married to this man, right here, this is how it goes. Hey, can we hit Harbor Freight Tools? I gotta get something, really. Okay. After Harbor Freight, we go in and we buy it. All right, cool, where are we going now? Oh, well, we'll go to the nice Home Depot down the street. Really? I hate Home Depot. Explain yourself.
Hey, you have the money. I need the tools. We're going to Home Depot.
Whatever. Lies. All lies.
No.
Ladies, get yourself a handyman. Where are we, Pumpkin?
We're at the grown man's toy store.
Can I just tell you all how excited I am to be at Home Depot again? I love this store so much. So much. How do you like the Home Depot, Pumpkin?
I love the tools. Let's go find some tools. Let's build something.
Here we go.